Promoting offers to your list. When you are building your list, you will want to promote offers to them. This can be either your own products or services or someone else's products or services where you earn a commission. There are many good courses available on product creation, and it is beyond the scope of this manual, so let's concentrate on promoting other people's products. The internet marketing world is blessed with a number of new products and services being launched every single day. You can become an affiliate for these product vendors and promote their products to your list. Where to find affiliate offers? Clickbank. One of the most well-respected affiliate marketplace is Clickbank.com. They have many products available in the MMO niche, and becoming an affiliate is free and simple. You do not need approval from the product vendor to become an affiliate with Clickbank, and you will receive a check like clockwork every 15 days if you have made sales. Once you have signed up as an affiliate, go to Marketplace and click on e-business and e-marketing, and you will see a screen like this. The filter has been applied to display the products by gravity. There is no exact explanation for gravity from Clickbank, but it is related to the number of sales by the most number of affiliates. In other words, the product is selling. The third product, the CB Passive Income, looks interesting. It pays $30.85 on average per sale, has an average rebill amount of $257.85, recurring commissions, and a gravity of over 87. The next thing to do is check out the sales page to see if it looks professional and will convert visitors. The page looks good, so it's time to promote the product. You will need a special link to do this, and this is easily obtained by clicking on the Promote button. You will then be asked to enter your nickname, and then this screen will appear. All you need to do is copy the link, and then you can use it to promote the product. Clickbank is an excellent company that always pays their affiliates on time, and signing up to be an affiliate is very easy. The biggest drawback with Clickbank is that many people who are involved in the MMO niche know about them and already have accounts there. If you promote a Clickbank product to your list, it is very possible that some of them that like and want to purchase a product will use their own affiliate ID to buy it, effectively stealing your commissions. Jvzoo. Jvzoo.com is a good site with lots of products, and any commissions are paid directly into your PayPal account. Once you have signed up for your free account, you can go to the marketplace and select Best Sellers. You will then be presented with a page that shows today's best sellers, yesterday's best sellers, the last week's best sellers, and the last month's best sellers. Let's check out the affiliate details for the Video Maker FX video creation software by clicking on the link. From here, you can see that it pays 50% commission on a sale price of $37. You can view the sales page, and the vendor has requested that you contact them seeking approval to be an affiliate. You will not always get accepted. When you make an application, explain that you have an existing list of X subscribers and are regularly building this list. Most of the vendors will approve you on this basis. People that launch products on Jvzoo often have upsells, one-time offers, etc. And in some cases, you can make commissions on these as well. Click the affiliate details to be sure of this. Jvzoo has a vast range of products, and you are unlikely to get your commissions stolen when promoting your offers. The downside is that you have to request approval to promote the products, and this can take some time to receive from some vendors. Warrior Plus. This is one of the best places when looking for offers. Like Jvzoo, it is free to become an affiliate, and you need to request approval from the vendor to promote their products. If you tell them that you are building a list and growing it, that is normally enough to get approved. The good thing about Warrior Plus is that a lot of the offers are often tied to Warrior Forum, WSOs. This is good because any potential purchaser can read the positive reviews about the product in the thread before making a purchase. Commissions are paid directly into your PayPal account. Sign up for a Warrior Plus account and then click Affiliates and Offers to arrive at a page like this. You can sort this page by the number of sales, commission payout, value per visitor, etc. As always, you should check the affiliate details and the sales page, often a WSO, before making a decision to request approval. If you are happy to promote the product, then make the request by clicking the blue Request button on the right-hand side. Product Launch JV. Another way to promote other people's products and make good money is to be an affiliate for a new product that is being launched. You can find out about these product launches by using websites such as muncheye.com and v3.jvnotifypro.com/account that have information about many product launches coming up. You can learn about these new products and some of the big ticket ones from people like Frank Kern that pay very large commissions. What the smart people do for the big ticket launches is create a unique bonus pack that is related to the product and can only be claimed if your subscriber buys through your link.